Hey folks, this is Steven here from Volkswagen of Olympia. Today I have the 2024 Atlas right here. It's an SEL Premium, and we're going to go over voice commands. Alrighty, so now we're going to go over voice features. Voice features is something that's pretty new to the Atlas. You can actually control certain parts of the car just by using your voice. So first things first, we're going to go into the settings. We're going to make sure that it's activated. So we're going to go to voice operations here. And then we're going to go to voice operation, dialogue session. So the important thing is activate. So once that's all good, we're going to go, hey Volkswagen, turn my heated seats on.
All right.
Now, one thing that's really cool about that is not only did it turn my heated seat on, but it distinguished that I'm sitting in the driver's seat. The Atlas is going to use spatial audio recognition, so it notices that I'm here as opposed to over on the passenger seat. Thanks for watching, folks. If you like it, make sure you like and subscribe.